Welcome to my game element video. First, I want you to know that video game culture is a subculture marked by certain tastes, which include traits such as social practice, art forms, and the power dynamic of gamers. I will introduce video game culture from game studies and the game industry. In the field of game studies, there are two views on games, namely ludology and narratology. Game must be understood primarily as game as a distinct interactive medium, unlike film, literature, etc. Second, games should be analyzed like any other creative or media work as a combination of aesthetics, design, script, ideas. On the other hand, the relationship between games and gender is a topic of much concern. Gaming has long been viewed as a male-dominated field, a field that has its root dating back to the early history of the gaming industry. The issue of gender stereotyping and discrimination in games persist. Female characters in some games are often portrayed as sexualized objects. However, over time, this perception has begun to change. A very report released by Newzoo has already pointed out that the number of female gamers worldwide exceeds 1 billion, accounting for 46% of the total number of gamer players in the world. The heroine in Tomb Raider is a role that is different from the stereotyped female game image. More and more women are participating in the game. At the same time, game developers and game designers has also begun to consider how to better meet the need and the preference of the female players. As the gaming market matures, the gender gap is narrowing. The relationship between games and violence is a hotly debated topic. Some people believe that playing violence games will lead to more violent gamers. This idea has not been confirmed by scientific research. In fact, many studies have shown that there is no causal relationship between games and violence, and most gamers can tell the difference between games and reality. Game design refers to the process of formulating game rules, goals, and the game experience during game development. Designers usually need to consider aspects of the game theme, gameplay, storyline, and the user interface to create an engaging game experience. In the game industry, there are some game mechanics that involve elements of gambling, and this is one of the concerns. For example, some games use loot boxes or random items dropped where players can buy virtual boxes and hope to get the rare or valuable in-game items. With the development of games, many new industries has also been born, such as game live streaming and the professional esport players. Esport refers to the video game as a competitive sport, and video game competition between professional players and teams. In general, culture is not the only way to learn about games. As with any text, medium, or phenomenon, people may take different approaches and perspectives. Here is my reference list. Thanks for watching.